Lets you braze all aluminium alloys and lets you repair parts quickly and effectively. For smaller, thinner materials, propane gas can be used, but for larger components we recommend oxyacetylene as the heat source. These are brazing rods for aluminium, and once the repair area is cleaned, heat the material until the work surface is hot enough to melt the rod. Do not melt the rod with the flame. This securing boss has snapped off. To repair it, a bolt and washers are fitted. Then once the work surface is hot enough to melt the brazing rod, the material is quickly and easily built up. When the repair is completed, allow it to cool naturally. Then the repair can be filed and finished and the component can be put back into service. This sort of damage on an alloy body panel is ideal for the aluminium brazing process, and the thin substrate is very suitable for heating with the propane torch. Simply fill the gouge with brazing rod material, then finish off for a virtually undetectable and very strong repair. Filling holes in an alloy panel can be problematical, but it's very easy and straightforward with the alloy brazing process. Finish off with a body file, and you never believe there had once been a hole in the panel.